Well, hello and welcome to this exercise on vectors from an iGCSE past exam question. And we're given a vector, and we're also given the values of the vectors, the relationship between different lines there. So the ratio of OX to XP is 3 to 2, and the ratio of OY to YQ is also 3 to 2. And we told that the value of vector OP is P and the value of vector OQ is Q. We're then asked to write PQ in terms of P and Q and XY in terms of P and Q as well. Okay. And the third one says complete the following sentences. The lines XY and PQ are something. The triangles OXY and OPQ are also something. And the ratio of the area of triangle OXY to the ratio of the area of triangle OXY to the area of triangle OPQ is something to something, which you don't know. Now for the first one, I'm going to go from P to Q, and because I do not know the values of P to Q, I have to go back from P to O, and then from O to P to Q. So P to Q is then minus P plus Q, because I'm going against the grain plus Q. So P to Q is now Q minus P. Similarly, X to Y is also going from X to O and from O to Y. Okay. Now, because the ratio of OX to XP is 3 to 2, it then follows that the ratio of OX to the whole of OP is 3 to 5. Okay, hence XO is minus 3 over 5 P. Similarly, OY is plus 3 over 5 Q. And when we tidy up, XY becomes 3 over 5 Q minus P. And then straight away, we can see that Q minus P is a multiple, so we can see that PQ is a multiple of XY. Vector PQ is a multiple of vector XY. Okay. Right, it says the lines P and Q are parallel. They are parallel because they have the same vector, and also XY is also a multiple. PQ is a multiple of XY. So the line XY and PQ are parallel because they have the same vector and hence the same gradient. Okay, so they're parallel. And we want to find the ratio of the triangles OXY and OPQ. Right. Now, because XY and PQ are parallel, it means that this angle here, OXY and OPQ, are corresponding angles and therefore equal. Similarly, the angle OYX and OQP are also corresponding angles and therefore equal. The angle O is common to both triangles. So triangles OXY and OPQ are similar. Now, because they're similar, we know that XY has been enlarged to PQ because PQ is a multiple of XY from there and there. So PQ is a multiple of XY. So XY has been enlarged to PQ with a scale factor of 5 over 3. Now that if the linear scale factor is 5 over 3, then the area scale factor or the corresponding area scale factor is going to be the linear scale factor squared, which is now 25 over 9. So the ratio of the triangle OXY to the triangle OPQ is now 1 to 25/9. And tidying up, the ratio of triangle OXY to OPQ would then be 9 to 25. Now, I hope all that made some sense. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.